jusqu'à l'arrivée. 200 meters to go. First for the Spanish rider, Adrian Pericas. And right behind him then, the French rider. So first of all, the focus on Pericas. Now is Chespi almost sitting on his own bike. That's the feeling. He is out of the saddle and one is on the hot seat. Nate Pringle. What does this time mean? There are 15 seconds still on the side of the gauntlet. Maxime de Gauntlet. Les dernières 100 mètres jusqu'à l'arrivée. That's a photo footage that's so incredible. And he's coming. C'est 5, 4, 3, 2, and half a minute faster than Nate Pringle. But there are still some more riders until we really have to finish, really have the final result. And we wait for Matthias Schwarzbacher representing Slovakia. The Slovakian champion of Jakob Söderqvist. Only 2 more kilometers to go for the rider representing Sweden. And if you look back to last year, he won the silver medal at the UCI Road Championships in Zurich already. Silver medalist in the European Championships, and now the focus is on Matthias Schwarzbacher representing Slovakia. And he is in the power. He has race number 1 on his back and he knows he could be the one to do. For Belgium, Jonathan Vervenne, Belgian champion in 2023 and 2025, and he is in with a fantastic time, 29 seconds only off his top 10 right now, 7th position for the young Belgian rider.
Now let's welcome Mamasimajana Kuri, Al-Mutawi, Kuri, United Arab Emirates, Tumukuna Mashawi, Asoza, Irikubera.
And we see another helmet. Another cyclist is coming. Here you go. Because he is keeping the pace as well. Number 1, Jakob Söderqvist. We see him already, still until the end in a phenomenal position. And he is so strong. He is the man to beat. But right now, the time to beat is 39 minutes, 28 seconds. Hold on, but first we have here coming Hamish Mackenzie. He's coming in. Mackenzie. He's the Swedish guy. Jakob Söderqvist. And have a look what the time is telling us. Is this the new world champion? Yes, it is! Jakob Söderqvist again in his own galaxy, as we saw it yesterday by the man Ellie. There is one rider underneath the mark of 39 minutes. This is Jakob Söderqvist, and the podium looks like Jakob Söderqvist gold, Lake Pringle silver, and then this is really
Ibihumbi 2025 UCI Road World Championships iri gukinirwa aha i Kigali. Abatsinze muri shampiyona y'isi y'amagare y'ibihumbi 2025 mu bagabo bari munsi y'imyaka 23 mu cyiciro cya individual time trial ITT.
will be presented by Dato Amarjit Singh Gill, UCI Management Committee member.
Igenwa batsinze igiye gutangwa na Dato Amarjit Singh Gill, umwe mu bagize komite nyobozi ya UCI.
In third place and winner of the bronze medal representing France. À la troisième place, et vainqueur de la médaille de bronze représentant la France.
Umwanya wa gatatu n'umudari w'umuringa yegukanywe n'umukinyi ukinira Ubufaransa.
Maxime de Temple. New Zealand. À la deuxième place, et vainqueur de la médaille d'argent représentant Nouvelle-Zélande.
Yegukanywe n'umukinyi ukinira New Zealand.
Nate Pringle. And in first place, UCI World Champion and winner of the gold representing Sweden. À la première place, champion du monde de UCI et gagnant de la médaille d'or représentant la Suède.
Shampiyona y'isi yo gusiganwa ku magare n'umudari wa zahabu yegukanywe n'umukinyi ukinira Suwede ariwe
Jakob Söderqvist. And now we ask the rider to step on the podium. This is your stage. Enjoy that. This watch will be presented by Dato Amarshit Singh Gill, UCI Management Committee member. La montre Tissot est représentée par Dato Amarshit Singh Gill, membre du comité directeur de l'UCI.
Impano y'isaha ikotangwa na Dato Amarshit Singh Gill, umwe mu bagize komite nyobozi ya UCI. Nanone gushimira uwegukanye shampiyona y'isi y'amagare no gukomeza kumuha icyubahiro. Twese duhaguruke mu gihe haririmbwa indirimbo yubahiriza igihugu cye cya Suwede.
Merci. And ladies and gentlemen, now please one more time your applause for our medalists. Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez applaudir une dernière fois nos médaillés.
Murakoze cyane. Twongere dushimire abegukanye muri irushanwa ryo mu byiciro bitandukanye aribo.
Congratulations to Jakob Söderqvist, Nate Pringle, and Maxime de Comble.